Shout out po sa aking isa sa aking mga followers at Facebook friends, si Ma'am Nimpa Apostol from San Miguel, Bulacan, na siya ay magdadaos ng birthday ngayong November 22, 2024. Happy birthday, Madam! God bless! At ala ko na ihandang kanta para sa iyo ngayon dahil nandito na ako sa trabaho. Mayroon akong file dito ng aking kanta, religious song. Idadagdag ko na lang doon sa aking pagbati sa iyo. Once again, happy birthday, God bless, and good health.
In His time, in His time, He makes all things beautiful. In His time, Lord, please show me everything as you're teaching me your way, that you do just what you say in your time, in your time, in your time. You make all things beautiful in your time. Lord, my life to you I bring. May it so I have to sing. Be to you a lovely thing in your time. Lord, please show me everything as your teaching.
Madam Nimpa Apostol, yun lang yung nakuha kong aking file ng video dito. At alam ko na nagustuhan mo yung kanta kasi alam ko ay isa kang relihiyosa. Yun lamang at maraming salamat. Have a nice day. God bless you. Happy birthday and good health.